Alrighty, we're back with the Polariod 800. Why, you may ask? Well, film. Today's video is more film. I'm supposed to be doing more technology shit like my channel is, but evidently, you know, kind of the well's kind of running dry, so I like film. Let's begin. The seller was so kind enough to send 2 more rolls of this stuff. Free of charge. I couldn't believe it. This has to be the world's greatest eBay seller. Has to be. Alright, let's check our lifespan of the film. Is this damp? Yeah, it's damp. So that's good. And when was this packed? 877 again. Let's see if it's still the same date. 1186. Still the same. Alright, let's open it. Chair corner and pull. Whatever you say. Whatever you say, film. Oh yeah, if you're wondering why I have a bandage on my hand, well, you see, I was trying to help my mom with finding shoes, because she was going somewhere important and she needed her dress shoes. And well, I was looking in the closet trying to find them and I couldn't find them. So when I was trying to find them, okay, this is in much better condition. Alright, let me turn off my light. Alright, picture 1 ready for taking. Here. I also greased this thing up so it's smoother moving now. So, a little correction and a little mistake I did the last video. I used blue bulbs when I was trying to take the picture. Now, these 25B, Press 25B bulbs, these are only made for color film. You don't use these for black and white film because these these blue bulbs, they limit the amount of light that the film should be getting. So maybe that's why some of my pictures turn out terrible. I used blue bulbs instead of the clear ones because you want to use the clear ones for black and white film. Type 42, you want to use these. So we're going to be using these, and you can tell these are old because the bases are brass. So yeah, I also tracked down my my diffuser, so that's good because I'm pretty certain this is going to call for using the Polariod diffuser, but we'll see. Add that on. Ooh. There we go. Ooh, I'm real smart. I'm hitting things. I'm going to just stand in front of the TV. Back a little more. That should be good. Let me see here. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. And that's good. We got it. And that is about... No, not yet.
Not yet?
I gotta get in my suit.
You gotta get your shit on?
Yeah. But first I need to read this and that this diffuser actually works. On the shutter, just exactly as it tells you. 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet. Yep. 5 feet. Exactly. Okay.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
So it's supposed to be smoking? I also felt a little heat. It'll be fine.
It's fine.
It actually kind of smells good.
Well, that's what the 50s probably smelled like.
Oh, never mind. No, that smells like
Smell like old candles. I'm just gonna let that.
rest
All
in there for a
right.
little while.
So you hit this, and pull it. 1, 2, 3, and you cut it like that. And alright, let's see. Oh, fuck. Come on. Alright, you ready to see the magic? I hope this is magic. Alright, here we go.
You can actually see details in that one. Sort of.
Yeah. I just gotta clean it. This smells like wasabi sauce. Wow, that's amazing. Let me show the camera this beautiful picture right here.
Is that camera on?
Yeah. Okay, there's one good shot. Alright. Let's try it again. The second shot.
Let me know when ready.
Ready. Okay. Does it get it?
Yeah, the camera and you.
Alright, here we go. And let the timer start. 50 minutes on that. This is your negative. See?
Yeah.
That's trash. Get nice and close, alright? It's a bit of a pain. Trust
I
me.
see that.
Don't right there. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Details again.
Yes. Amazing. All right, thank you. Just have to. No, down below. Like before, yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Damn, that popped.
Popped.
Yeah. Alright.
Stop smoking.
I'll get out of this so your friends don't see me like this.
You know what? Well, they're furry, so.
Thank God for that. That's damn good. Look at that.
Ooh.
That turned out real good.
Yeah.
Easy soft shadows, cloudy. Dull. Easy. Yeah. 14. 14 on the shutter. I'll take a damn picture of this damn golf cart. Oh, 14. Oh, look at that. That light meter's correct, I'm telling you that. About 10 feet. So 10 feet would be 17. 17 on the exposure. because this tells me the feet from the lens. So 17 on the exposure. No diffuser. Alright, let's get the shot. Alright, here we go. This camera is quite fun to use, but it takes a bit to get your picture in focus. You have to double check, make sure it's sharp. And it makes me appreciate how Polaroid is now, where they came out with the SX70 in 1972 as the very first instant camera that used an SLR mirroring system. So you don't have to rely on the rangefinder in this, and it just makes me appreciate what Polaroid's become now, because this is Polaroid's first camera. Well, not the first one, but this is the first type of instant film. This camera came out in 1957. Alright, we're almost ready. Flip it over. Let's see your shot. I hope it's good. This was the first all instant. All you gotta do is press a button and you get the picture to its dream just by. There's the picture. And here's the dream. Whew. Thing stinks. All right. I always forget that part. Okay. Pull it right into. Okay, here we go. Yep. So note to self, use the film the same day. You must use this film on the same day you put it in, because if you leave it out at night, you get nothing.